This 2023 Winnebago Adventurer 35F is a Class A RV. It is located in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania, 17022 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2023 Winnebago Adventurer 35F is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.